concerned. Now, the police is also focusing on the negligence angle, because what we are learning is that the ferry passengers have raised certain questions, and they have in fact said that no life jackets were provided on the ferry yesterday. They had to travel without the jacket. In fact, they always travel without jackets on these ferries, and safety instructions were also not given as far as this is concerned, which in fact led to tragedy. And what we are learning is that 13 people have lost their life, more than 100 people have been rescued, and as my colleague Shweta was telling us, the search and rescue operation is still underway, and what we are learning is that there are few more people who are still stuck. So let's listen in.
उसके बाद बताया कि लाइफ जैकेट पहनी है आप लोग। भाई यहाँ से बताना चाहिए कि लाइफ जैकेट पहन के जाइए आप लोग। यहाँ जाते समय कोई नहीं बताया, अब बताया गया।
लाइफ जैकेट दे नहीं रहे थे और डर लग रहा था कि सब लोग कह रहे थे।
उनके पास पूरी लाइफ जैकेट की व्यवस्था नहीं थी।
आपने मांगा था
जी, तो फिर धीरे धीरे उन्होंने निकालना शुरू किया, मंगाया जैकेट। जब नेवी वाले आए तब जो जैकेट दिया, वरना लोग नहीं निकल रहे। सिर्फ नेवी के लोग पहुंचे, बाकी कोई नहीं पहुंचा, सिर्फ नेवी के लोग पहुंचे।
Actually, total there were 5 members of our relative. They had come for the housewarming ceremony in Mumbai. Then later they have come here for the tourist to see the Gate of India. Later they had gone. They were going to the Elephanta caves, but we got as soon as the incident occurred, we got a call that a speedboat hit the biggest boat. Then they told us to come to the Gate of India. When we reached here, finally we got report that all the out of 5 our family relatives, 4 are okay, they have been rescued, and 1 is missing.
So at least 13 people have lost their life when an Indian naval boat, is what we are learning, hit a ferry passenger ferry yesterday, which then capsized off the coast of the financial capital, that is Mumbai. More than 100 people have been rescued so far. You heard the reaction coming from the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. He has said that out of the 13 who have lost their life, 10 are civilian. But we are in fact telling you the shocking thing about this tragedy is that no life jackets were given to the ferry passenger. My colleague Shweta continues to be live with us. Shweta, this is very concerning and shocking. Firstly, no jackets were in fact given to these passengers, and secondly, they were not even told about the security, not given security instructions at all.
Unfortunately, that's right, Akansha. In fact, if this particular kind of visuals, what I have just shown a short while before, if this could have been done, the safety enforcement would have been in place, we could have averted missing. In fact, claiming 13 lives and 10 civilians' lives are lost. Still, we have some of the passengers here. We'll still talk to them. But here is an important man. Sir, आप फेरी से हैं. आप मुझे ये सच्ची तरीके से सर बताइए कि कितनी बार यहाँ पर ये इंस्ट्रक्शन दी जाती है कि आप ये लाइफ जैकेट पहनिए?
हर बार जो पैसेंजर जाता है उनको हम ताकीद करते हैं भाई अंदर जाके जैकेट पहननी जरूरी है।
और कितने लोग पहनते हैं?
जितनी कैपेसिटी है उतने जितने पैसेंजर जाते हैं अंदर वो सब पहनते हैं।
आपके सामने से कल नीलकमल फेरी बोट निकली?
जी नहीं, हम
लेकिन नीलकमल फेरी बोट से आप वाकिफ हैं?
नहीं, वो एलिफेंटा अलग है और
मांडवा के लिए आप अलग से हैं, राइट? वेल, वी हैव सम ऑफ द पैसेंजर्स विल सर केवल एक चीज आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप क्या सर डेली ट्रैवल करते हैं इस रूट पर?
हाँ, नहीं,
आप डेली ट्रैवल नहीं करते? लेकिन सर आपने पहले कभी ट्रैवल किया है, तो आपको क्या ये इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया जाता है आप लाइफ जैकेट पहनिए?
किसके बारे में आप?
लाइफ जैकेट के बारे में सर। आप
हाँ, लाइफ जैकेट कंपल्सरी मांगते हैं।
आपको बोला जाता है, आप कभी पहनते हैं?
नहीं, अभी मैं हाँ पहनते हैं।
आपको बोला जाता है?
हाँ, बोला जाता है।
Well, we are getting mixed sort of a response, but majority of the times we confirm to viewers that this is not the case. Now, where 13 lives have been lost, we are seeing such kind of safety enforcement are being done. Now, these ferry authorities are also ensuring that the passengers, those who are on board ferry, they have to wear the life jackets. In fact, many times, in fact, we have seen that the life jackets which should be the inflated ones aren't the same, and here we see that
absolutely, and this is quite shocking, Shweta. No life jackets given, no safety instructions given. Now, police has registered the FIR and they are looking into the negligence angle. Thank you, Shweta, for all the details. With this, we're taking a short break. We'll be right back with more news and updates. Stay with us.